What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Most of you guys must be aware about Nothing, which is a London based technology company founded by Carl Pei and Steve. Carl Pei founded OnePlus along with Pete. Later, he left the firm in September 2020 to start a new hardware venture called Nothing. On 1st December, the first product was introduced called Nothing Ear 1, a great TWS which had transparent design. And now Nothing is about to launch a smartphone carrying the same transparent design. We are exactly not sure about the launch date and the device specifications. But we have some news about the upcoming smartphone from Nothing. The phone's frame and the back cover will be combined and it will be made entirely of transparent material. This allows users to examine the battery, motherboard construction and wireless charging coil on the inside. Carl appeared to be hinting to an upcoming Android announcement. On 15th Feb, the executive tweeted that he was back on Android, promoting similar cryptic teasers from the Android and Snapdragon brand account. The phone is expected to have a curved screen, but there are no renders or any rumors to support the claim. On the back, the phone is expected to have a dual camera setup wherein one of the lenses is bigger to support nightscape photography. The phone will also have a stereo speaker setup and we get to see a USB Type-C port at the bottom. The phone may also have a setup similar to Alert Slider on OnePlus smartphones, as it's one of the most useful feature that OnePlus smartphones have. There are few leaked specifications which confirms that phone will be using Snapdragon flagship chipset, but again it's unclear whether or not this chip will be 8 Gen 1 or 8 Gen 2. The phone may also come with UFS 3.1 storage and Bluetooth 5.2. As far as the expected display is concerned, one can expect 2K display with 10 color bit or 1080p display with Dolby Vision. Nothing might also come up with something of their own when it comes to software part. And there are more chances that Nothing will go the stock way, not getting into creating a custom skins of their own. It is also expected that Nothing smartphone will allow users to unlock the bootloader, as any of the OnePlus old users know that during the time Carl Pei was a part of OnePlus. Custom ROM development was supported by OnePlus and the same will be followed with Nothing smartphone. Launch date is not yet out, but the rumors and general marketing trends suggest that Nothing smartphone 1 will be launched between March or April. So this was the information we had about Nothing's first smartphone. We'll keep you guys updated more about Nothing's smartphone in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.